close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my...
Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your house. In the previous class, we had learned about shapes. Have you studied the last class portion? Shall I ask questions from the study portion? Which is the largest in Egypt? The answer is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Is it? Who is called the father of geometry? Euclid is called the father of geometry. Okay. What are shapes? Shapes can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface as opposed to other properties such as color, texture or material type. What are the different types of shapes? Circle, semicircle, oval, triangle, square, cube, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, sphere, cone, cylinder, etc. Okay. I hope you all are learned previous week portion. Shall we move on to the next lesson? Have you learned about parts of our body in science? I think you have learned about parts of our body in science. Can you say the parts of our body? Head, eyes, ears, nose, hands and legs. What are internal organs? Some organs are inside our body. They are called internal organs. Example, heart, kidney, etc. What are external organs? Some organs are outside of our body. They are called external organs. Example, head, nose, ears, etc. Today we are going to learn lesson 5, sense organs. We use them every day to get to know and understand the world around you. Do you know what are they? Your senses, is it? The 5 senses are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and touching. Help us to learn about our surroundings. What is sense organ? The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch or feel. What are the 5 sense organs in our body? Eyes, ears, tongue, skin and nose. These are the 5 sense organs in our body.
We have 5 sense organs. They are the eyes, ears, nose and tongue, which are on the face. The skin is the 5th sense organ, which is found all over our body.
What are the uses of sense organs? Eyes, which helps for seeing something.
Eyes. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their color and shape.
Ears, which helps for hearing the sound.
Ears. We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us.
Tongue, which helps for tasting food.
Tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, pungent, bitter with the help of the tongue.
Nose, which helps for smelling the food, fragrance, etc.
Nose. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flowers, medicines, garbage, can only be known with the help of the nose.
Skin, which helps for feel and touch.
Skin. We can feel a thing by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Examples: hot or cold, smooth or rough, soft or hard, etc.
What is ageusia? Ageusia is a complete loss of taste. What is anosmia? Anosmia is a complete loss of the sense of smell. What is disability? A disability is any condition of the body or mind that makes it more difficult for the person with the condition to do certain activities and interact with the world around them. What is disabled person? A person with long-term physical, mental, intellectual or sensory impairment which in interaction with barriers hinder his full and effective participation in society equally with others. Do you understand? Now, shall we do some exercise? Take page number 11 in your book. In each pair of sentences given below, tick the one that shows the correct language of disability. First one, A. A person who is deaf. B. A deaf person. Here, which one is the correct statement? A person who is deaf is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Once again, a person who is deaf. B. A deaf person. A person who is deaf is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Number 2. A wheelchair bound boy. B. A boy who uses a wheelchair. Here, which one is the correct statement? A boy who uses a wheelchair is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Once again, A wheelchair bound boy. B. A boy who uses a wheelchair. A boy who uses a wheelchair is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Question number 3. A person who is visually impaired. B. A visually impaired person. Here, which one is the correct statement? A person who is visually impaired is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Once again, question number 3. A. A person who is visually impaired. B. A visually impaired person. Here, a person who is visually impaired is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Question number 4. A. A physically disabled person. B. A person with a physical disability. Here, which one is the correct statement? B. A person with a physical disability is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Once again, question number 4. A. A physically disabled person. B. A person with a physical disability. B. A person with a physical disability is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Question number 5. A. A dumb person. B. A person with a speech impairment. Here, which one is the correct statement? B. A person with a speech impairment is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Once again, question number 5. A. A dumb person. B. A person with a speech impairment. B. A person with a speech impairment is the correct answer. Tick inside the box. Exercise B. Yes or no. Question number 1. People with disabilities want to be treated just like you. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is yes. 2. People with disabilities can do lots of different things, but they may just use a different way to do these things. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is yes. 3. People with disabilities need pity. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is no. 4. Persons with disabilities are burdens on their families. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is no. 5. Buildings are often not designed to suit people with physical disabilities. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is yes. 6. It is always better to ask a person with a disability if he or she needs help rather than rushing forward and doing things for him or her yourself. Dash. Say yes or no. The answer is yes. Do you understand? Shall we move on to next lesson? Have you learned grammar in English? I hope you are all learned grammar in English. What did you learn in grammar? Vowels, consonants, parts of speech, tenses, etc. Is it? Do you know about classes? I think a few students know about classes. Now, I am going to teach lesson 6. if, then golden rules. Grammar is very important in English. We use grammar for communication. Grammar includes the rules for correct writing and speaking. It guides how language should be written, spoken in a correct way. We are going to learn if class. What is class? A class is a group of words that contains a verb. It may form part of a sentence. For example, he was eating a bacon sandwich. This sentence has a group of words that contains a verb. Which is the verb in this sentence? Eating is the verb in this sentence. Is it? Do you know what is verb? Verb is an action word. Example, walking, eating, singing, etc. What is if class? Conditional sentences are also known as if class. They are used to express that the action in the main class. Example, if I study, I will pass the exam. Here, if I study indicates if class. I will pass the exam indicates main class. Shall we do some exercise? Take page number 12 in your book. Match the columns to complete the golden rules and then write them out in the space given below. Number 1. If at first you don't succeed, the answer is E. Then try and try again. Number 2. If you only walk on sunny days, the answer is A. Then you will never reach your destination. Number 3. If you don't do it, the answer is H. Then it won't get done. Number 4. If you can't dream it, the answer is C. Then you can do it. Number 5. If the shoe fits, the answer is G. Then wear it. Number 6. If you want to be trusted, the answer is B. Then be honest. Number 7. If you want a rainbow, the answer is D. Then you have to put up with the storm. Number 8. If not now, the answer is F. Then when? Do you understand? Have you written the answers in your book? Today's activity. Collect and paste the pictures of sense organs. Okay. Thank you, students.